And for the final major dollar pairs, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily, we can see we've had our break of structure, and this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. As we were speaking about before, and for the last couple of weeks, we've liquidated this high before then seeing that demand chain break, creating areas of supply. However, last week, or was it the week before, we broke this supply zone and created an area of demand over here. So this could still push price in towards the upside. However, along with the fundamental analysis on DXY, I do fancy some USD Swiss shorts. We've had our initial break of structure in towards the downside here, followed by another before then switching bullish. As you can see though, we have actually broken this demand zone that was in control, and this is now the area of supply that's in control. This is a key point of liquidity. Even if we were to go up and push higher, I would anticipate this low getting taken first, as there's no liquidity in this move over here and it's equal lows. So if we go down onto the 1 hour time frame, what I want to see is a retracement in towards this zone over here. Maybe take out this liquidity high, see that structure shift, and then I'm happy to start targeting the lows. If we look to the left, there's lots of liquidity still open. This is all open liquidity and is a nice liquidity target. Moving on to UJ, we can see that we're still just moving sideways within this overall box. We are still in this supply zone, which is very strong because it liquidated this high over here. We're also at intervention levels, so at any point in time, I'm still expecting this just to sell off in towards the downside. Finally, USD CAD. On the daily, we can see our break of structure in towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this high, but we haven't quite seen that follow through to creating a new swing low. Instead, we've come up and now we've switched bullish on the internal. I don't really fancy USD CAD sells because the Canadian dollar is also going to see some weakness now as a result of lower oil prices. So if we go down onto the 4 hour time frame, what we can see is we are technically swing bullish with a break of structure over here. This is our swing low. This is, oh no, we've had another break over here. So this is our swing low and this is our swing high. After a break of structure, we expect a pullback. So I'm expecting a pullback towards this point of liquidity